PeopleGoal Engage allows you to conduct deep diagnostic tests of your team engagement levels. The survey functionality generates advanced analytics that can be used to identify points of improvement. Your team feels more engaged with recognition, badges, and regular feedback. Management has key insights to hand in order to take the right actions to build your ideal company culture. Understanding the different engagement levels in your team is crucial in order for the correct action to be taken. Before you can begin to build your company culture, you need to identify baseline engagement levels. PeopleGoal allows you to design and run completely customizable engagement surveys. These can be totally anonymous and fully automated. Regular engagement surveys allow for early identification of problem areas and allows you to track performance over time. Employee recognition and appreciation is key to promoting a culture that rewards the right behaviors. Using PeopleGoal for regular recognition leads to happier employees, lower absenteeism, higher retention, and greater employee loyalty. Recognizing personal accomplishments is a key factor in motivating the new generation of employees entering the workforce. Recognition takes the form of quick, public posts and tags on PeopleGoal and is fully integrated into the rest of our product. As the owner of the engagement survey process, PeopleGoal Analytics allows you to examine the raw engagement data at a low level and pull out key insights and reports. These are made available to share with management or the C-suite. The Analytics suite will identify the underperforming or problem areas relative to the average and provide insights into areas for improvement. PeopleGoal is a simple and intuitive solution built with the employee in mind. Our solution is used by some of the fastest growing companies in the world. If you'd like to find out more, then please follow the links below.